Hello all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do my review on the Logitech G413 keyboard that you see in front of you here. I've had this keyboard for about a month. All in all, it's a great keyboard. These are using Romer G key switches, so they're very loud, very clackety-clickety, how I like it. I was looking for something compared to I think these are butterfly switches or scissor switches, but they're very quiet compared to these. Very good key travel. All in all, the construction of the keyboard is very lightweight. It's got premium materials. I believe it's an aluminum frame, and also it's got 2 feet on the back, and also has a matted back plate. I'll show that in a minute. Okay, so this is the back. It's got this matted backing, got all these little rubber feet to keep it from sliding. It's very secure on this glass desk. It doesn't move at all. And it's got, of course, your little feet there if you want to raise the height or keep it flat. Again, those are very secure, very nice textured pattern on the back. It comes with a braided, very thick cable. Very thick. I was not expecting it to be that thick and long. I've still kept the zip tie on it that came with it so it doesn't go everywhere with my laptop. It also has a USB pass-through, which I found very convenient. I don't use it too often, but when I do need it, it's there. You got the G logo for their gaming, for Logitech's gaming. Now we're going out of focus for Logitech's gaming brand. Again, this is a gaming keyboard, but I'm not using it as a gaming keyboard. I'm more using it as an everyday household mechanical keyboard, which is fine. It gets the job done. I'm a pretty quick typer, about 40 words per minute, so I wouldn't say my typing's improved. My typing stayed about the same. Maybe I'm a little bit quicker on this keyboard compared to that one. The keys took a little bit getting used to. Like I said, I've had it for about 2 months now, so I thought that would be a good length of time to try it out and give you my review. I probably could have pushed in another month and went it to 3, but I probably would have forgotten that I would have had to do a review. So other than that, that's my little quick review on it. Works flawlessly, and you also get in the box, and I have not taken these out, are the removable keys that gamers use the most, and a keycap puller. I did not use that because first key I saw, the escape button, I took that off. Those are the keycaps there. You can see the light, very bright, passing through. Keys themselves aren't very loud. The keycaps I find are very loud, so we'll put that back into place. That was a fail. Okay, good thing I didn't do that on camera because it took a few attempts to get that on. I didn't have it lined up properly. I ended up kind of using the keycap puller to help me line it up and put it back on. I didn't want to take it out of the packaging because I didn't want to lose it, but oh well, I needed it. So anyway, that's my review. Hope you enjoy. You can pick this keyboard up for about $100 Canadian. I'm not sure what that is in American. I would say roughly maybe around 80, 100 bucks, or 80, 90 bucks US. And yeah, that's just a quick review of the keyboard. Take care, guys, and stay safe.